the ghetto kite. Hey, how you doing, Caribbean? Hey, bub. You know what I was going to say? You know, it's funny. Every time my hand gets cold, I can't feel the top of my thumb.
You can't feel your thumb?
I can't feel from here to here. Ever since I heard it, I must have like damaged nerves in it. Yeah. I can't. No thumbs up for me. There's no thumbs up.
At least you'll have a green thumb. We do crazy things with a trash bag and a string in the ghetto.
Did it go?
No.
Some people refer to others as white trash. The only way to properly compliment this is by flying a white trash bag with a big smiley face on it to let the world know.
I can ride my bike with no handlebars!
Exactly. No more words need to be said after that. So let the trash bag fly. In dignity.
Mr. Ghetto!
And something else like that. And remember, you heard it first here.
Damn! Damn!
I'm in a parka. I just learned that. I thought this was just a coat with a bunch of frillies here. Weren't too sure what the frillies were about. Still not too sure. Men's or women's. If I had my choice of men's, I would have it without the frills. But if it keeps you warmer, hey, you know, it's better than snuggling up with some Alaskan like how they do over in Antarctica.
We're having a spring barbecue here in Maryland.
Yes.
And it's a global warming you can blame for the parka on Dan.
Yes. Why should I? This is going on. Wait a minute, I got my phone here. Mid-April. No. We're going on mid-April and I'm in a parka. Hot, cold, still firing. The wind's blowing like, well, believe that with the spectators.
Yeah. We're gonna go out in the alley and get back on Bobby's bike. Show us your recording. What?
I used to ride a bike.
Yes. It's getting late.
This big? This tall.
Yeah, just a little while ago. Caribbean. Come back up the alley.
I was a black man.
I don't know what the fuck white is.
You're not white. Nuh-uh.
Do you sure know what white is?
You're Hispanic.
American? I don't
That's
know.
right. That's right. I'm
So if they
Hispanic.
sat in front of you and said I'm white, would you shake their hand or be amused?
You know something?
Fabian had
He's
it.
not white.
I actually am Hispanic.
He's Hispanic.
That's the.
That should be on my yeah, that you should post that.
That's my
Yeah,
most
you should
recent.
post a picture of a black person and a white person.
Why?
Oh, this would be fun.
What the hell, that?
It went by the conversation I just had. You're sick.
But she was thinking what I'm thinking.
I don't know. What the fuck were you thinking?
I don't think she's thinking anything. She's just laughing.
No. No. I lost you as soon as I said I should. You should face the ball. It came behind the conversation I just had. I swear to God it did. It did. Oh, this is too good. Dan, did you catch on to it? Bits and pieces, but did you catch on at all?
Yeah. Yeah, I was perched down like a pigeon, baby.
Yeah, whatever. Did you catch on?
Huh?
Yeah, well, I mean,
Yeah.
there's always
Yeah,
more
I
than
did.
what. There's always more than meets the eye.
I did.
I don't know.
Why? Because it would be fun.
With this crowd, anything could happen.
Oh, you're an
Can I have a repeat of that, please?
No, I'm
Sure.
good. I'm good.
I don't know if I can do that again.
I don't think I can reenact that. Did you geek laugh
Doritos,
too?
choice of the new
Huh? Were you
generation.
geek laughing? Were you geek laughing like hee?
A rooster laid an
I
egg
guess
over it.
whatever way his ass was diagonally angled at. Was it on the right side of the roof or the left side of the roof? That would matter.
Everybody already knows. Everybody else. Wow. You're in a classy room tonight, Crystal. Roosters don't lay eggs.
Oh, well.
But you still don't believe that the pound of the pound.
That shower doesn't count no more. You missed the whole meaning of why they're laughing. Yeah.
Excuse me, Crystal, if I don't quite, follow you.